Hire from class 3rd C. Today I am going to present about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater should be collected for use. We can using for watering plants, washing clothes and all house activities. This is called rainwater harvesting. I made one model of rainwater harvesting. Now I am going to show how should be collected. This is cloud, this is collection tank, this is filtration tank, this is tank or well. Now just imagine this is rainwater. Now slowly come on water filter. Water is precious for us. Don't waste water. Save the water. Thank you.